Hello, future millionaire. What are you looking at here is the brand new super fast DC fast charging station on the Gold Coast. This is the first one in this area, and I'm the first person covering this one right now. I think just came online last night, and a friend of mine was jogging around here and found the station, so he has told me about it. So I came here quickly make a video, and I just found it on the app of ChargeFox as well. It's not even on PlugShare yet, so whoever is new to this place, please come here, give a quick charge. As you know, I'm currently driving a Z4, so I don't need a charger right now, but once I receive those Teslas, I'm sure as hell I can come here charge all the time. And for those who don't know where it is, this is one of the best locations on the Gold Coast to get a charge. Behind me is the Broadwater, and behind me here, that's actually the access to the main highway. So if you come down from Smith Highway, this is the first station you can charge your car at. So highly recommend come here, give a try, and leave some comments behind on PlugShare, promote this place, and let City Council know that this kind of action is highly appreciated by anybody who's into driving electric cars, sustainable lifestyle. This is the one thing I'm absolutely promoting with my whole heart. I wish there is a similar car like the Z4 in the convertible form that is not a Tesla, that I have a choice to buy and drive electric. But I heard that Volkswagen ID series is coming out with the ID convertible. Basically, ID is replacing the Golf. Instead, they won't come out with all kind of size of ID vehicles. And once that one's out, I'm definitely gonna get one. Yeah. Now back to Bitcoin Cash. So why Bitcoin Cash now is going up? I'm not sure if you guys have seen it. Bitcoin Cash is currently going up faster than BTC, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Those are the four big coins on the Coinbase network. And I can tell you right now, the market is deciding that anyone who's getting out of BTC is switching over to BCH. It's a logical choice. I absolutely can recommend anybody to do exactly the same thing. And I tell you this, right now it's early stage. For every BTC you sell, you still can get 60 to 70 BCH. Remember, they're equal scarcity. So it's almost like you sell one plot of land, you get a better plot of land, or you get 70 times as much. Wouldn't that be a great deal? So if you can do that in real estate, you would do it any day, every day in the week, right? So imagine selling your main house and you move to a better location. And for the same money you receive for your main house, you get 70 houses. Can you imagine how cool that would be? All right, so think about it. Switch over from BTC to BCH is as easy as a click of a button. Then suddenly you have 70 times more coins than you had before. And that is the trick. This is the easiest trick in the world. In one mouse click, you can multiply by your net worth by 70-fold overnight, just by switching from BTC to BCH. All right, think about it. I'll make another video somewhere else. See you in the next one. Bye.